In front of me is Black Shark gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into settings and tap on display section after scrolling down a tiny bit. Then scroll again. This time click on display size and text, and when you're ready, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. Check out preview at the top and go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!